Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize icons on Windows 11. So if you're tired of the same old desktop, let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how you can customize your icons on Windows 11, folders, apps, and even system icons for a look that's totally you. Let's start with folder icons. Here's how you can give them a fresh new look. You can just right click on any folder. Here I'm going to just, let's say, open this and right click on this folder in here. Then you can just tap on properties and go to the customize tab. And in here you can just click on the change icon options. And here you can choose from the list, or you can also click browse to use your own .ico file. Here, let's say I want to change it into this icon in here. You can just tap on OK, click on apply, and after that the folder icon will follow the settings that you selected. And if you want your desktop apps to look better, you can also change the app shortcut icons. You can just click on the app shortcut and then again go to properties and click on the change icon, and then you can pick an icon or browse for a custom one. And that's how you can transfer the boring Windows 11 look into something totally custom. If you like this, tap that like, subscribe, and also hit on that thanks button. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.